today's video, we will be showing how to access and replace the convection blower on your HP21 Comfort-Bilt pellet stove. And as always, make sure to unplug your unit from power before doing any service work. To get to the room blower, for service and cleaning or replacement, you have to remove this bottom rear panel, and these screws do not, the plate does not slip over the screws, so you have to remove all four. So we will use our Torx-25. Now we can remove the panel. Once you remove the panel, inside you're going to find the pressure switch mounted on its own bracket. Behind that, you're going to see the convection blower, which is mounted up underneath the panel. And there are four screws that hold the bracket in, and those are actually up on the top side. And I'll show you where those are. So you will have to remove these two screws. Actually, I don't think you need to remove it. You'll be able to slip it out from the side. But the two screws on the right side are here, and there are two over on the other side. We want to remove these two screws. That's one side done. You'll see now that the motor has released from the upper portion. You will remove the wire leads from the motor. We do have to remove this bracket to pull the motor out. You'll probably need to use a smaller Allen key to be able to get into this low headroom. Disconnect the hose from the switch, and we can bring the switch up, set it up there, and now we can remove our motor. Just like so. When you get your new motor, the motor that fits in here, you have to have this bracket assembly attached to it. If you don't have the bracket assembly, you won't be able to mount it. If you get a motor that is just the motor only and you have to reuse the bracket, you will undo these 6 rivets and then probably just remount the bracket to the motor frame using sheet metal screws. And then you'll place it back in, thread your screws back on, and put your vacuum switch back down below. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.